Integrated vortex flow meter works based on Carmen and Strouhal relevant spiral produce and on the theory of the flow relationship. Vortex flow meters measure flows of liquid, gas and steam by detecting the frequency at which vortices are alternatively shed from a bluff body. According to proven laws and physics, the frequency at which the vortices are shed is directly proportional to the flow velocity. Application: Vortex flow meter is professional in measuring non-conductive liquids, gases, saturated and superheated steam, especially for steam measurement trade settlement. Except work as flow meter. Vortex flow meter can also work as heat meter to measure the gross, net heat of steam and hot water. Vortex flow meter usually monitor the compressor output and evaluation of free air delivery, FAD. There has lots of industrial gases, such as natural gas, nitrogen gas, liquefied gases, flue gases, carbon dioxide etc. All could use vortex flow meter. In many factories, compressed air monitoring is very important. Vortex flow meter also could use for process control. Besides the different gases measurement, vortex flow meter could also used for light oil or any purified water, such as thermal oils, desalinated water, demineralized water, raw water, boiler feed water, condensate water etc. In the chemicals and petrochemicals industries, there also has lots of gases or liquid could use vortex flow meter for monitoring.